Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another video. In this video today we'll be talking about how to create AI speaking images or videos. So this is a video that I created using AI and this image is speaking. I have already uploaded this video on my YouTube channel. You can go and watch that. I will also add the link of that video in the description box below. So let's move to the steps to show you how I created this video. First of all, I went to the website that is Studio.d-it.com. So after going to this, I will log in or sign up if I don't have any account. So I will log in with the Gmail ID. After that, first of all, I will choose the character from these given characters, or I can choose on my own. I can add my own character if I want. So I am choosing this character from the pictures already given. Then on the right side, you can see there is a script box. I will go to chat GPT and I will write a script over there how to create AI videos for free. So I will copy that script from there and will paste over here. After pasting the script, I will choose the language and accent and style, tone, etc. So I am choosing over here United States, USA country, language English. Then I will choose the character's voice. As my character is a male character, so I will choose a male voice. After that, I will choose the style of the character, how the character is speaking, what tone will he be using. So I am using over here excited. So my character should be excited while telling the script or telling the methods to use AI created videos. After selecting all of these things, I will go to generate video on the top right corner. Then after clicking it, I will click on generate, and now my video is being generated in which the character will be speaking. After waiting for a while, you can see my video is loading over here and it is now generated. Now I can easily download it and simply I can upload it anywhere, as I have already downloaded it and uploaded it on YouTube channel. I hope you have liked my video. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you are new and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take a lot of care of yourselves and have peace.